In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule YouTube video upload on an iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure you are signed in to the YouTube account where you want to upload your video. So for this video, I'm just going to be working with this channel. Then afterwards, all you want to do is you want to go to the bottom menu and press on this plus button right over here. And then you guys have multiple different options. So you guys can record a video from here, or you guys can even go live as well. Or you guys can go ahead and select on a pre-existing video on your system. So if you have a video that you've taken previously, all you got to do is tap on video, then all of your videos are going to appear right over here. So from here, please go ahead and find your video. Then afterwards, go ahead and press on next. Then go ahead and press on next. And then from here, you guys can go ahead and give a caption for your YouTube video. Now, if it's a very short video, it is likely going to turn it into a YouTube short. But the process is going to be the exact same thing, even if you do have like a longer format video. But anyways, what you want to do in order to schedule it is you want to go ahead and select on visibility. And then over here, you will notice a section called schedule. And all you want to do is you want to press on that. And then from here, you guys are actually able to go ahead and schedule a time where the video goes public. So we can go ahead and pick a day over here. Then you guys can go ahead and pick a time as well. Then afterwards, once you went ahead and set the date and the time, you can go ahead and close out of this section. Then go ahead and press on upload short just like so. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.